Yes. That looks skinny. Yes, mom.
So when does the title is gonna come through? Like
It's gonna come through. Yes.
So you start there and then we'll title.
Do they understand? You have to clap. Okay, ready?
This is so crazy.
I know. This is like the same age as my daughter, guys.
Wow, guys.
8.
Yep.
In the title, what was it?
9.
Nayo.
Angel Damayando! Thank you!
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Guys, yesterday was a bittersweet moment for actors and fans to watch the last episode after 8 seasons. Isibaya has portrayed the Zulu culture and text industry very well. I remember when it first started, I didn't have DSTV, and every morning my colleagues will repeat each and every episode, imitating the characters, especially Undlovu and Fezile. They will argue about who was beautiful between Tandega and Nkondi. Guys, I was forced to watch Isibaya and see the characters myself. Yesterday's episode was a wrap up of everything happened the past years. Fans were really moved by Beyonce's beauty and her beautiful smile, dimples, Bagiti. It was on another level. I've tried to compile a few of actors' response to the final episode of Isibaya, starting with Andile. Thank you to my wife for everything. You are my hero. I love you with everything I have. To my fans, thank you for your support and God bless you with everything you desire. This morning I'm saying bye to Fezla Mafeza, Ifeza Lezinkanya, water. Then he smiled. Yes guys, and the second one is Asavela. Mina Isibaya, I never thought I would be in one of the biggest shows in South Africa. My first TV debut on Isibaya ngiyabonga Tongalam. We crew ngithi nje hello babies, hello lovers, till we meet again. Nginithanda Ure. Thank you to everyone who has supported me. Kwande nenze njalo nakwabanya. I couldn't have been on this road, on this success road alone. Thank you at Bomb Production at Mzansi Magic for trusting me with pleasure. Ntwentle Sibahle Ndlovu. Please watch the rest of the video and comment below who was your favorite character from Isibaya. Mine was Mamthembu and Madlamini. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.
Yeah, so I just finished watching the last episode of Isibaya. And yeah, man, this is it. This is the last episode of an epic 8 years. Just want to say thank you to everybody who have supported us on this journey. Thank you for giving us so much of your love and time, and for allowing us to visit your lounges, your homes at 8:30 every night for the past 8 years. Man, what an emotional journey. I, for one, will miss you terribly. And just from the bottom and deepest part of my heart, just want to say thank you to the extended Isibaya family. Bomb Productions, Desiree, Angus, Catherine, Adze, Susie, Mac, Debucho, the writers, everybody that made it so beautiful. We are truly grateful to have been part of something so magical. And I hope this sets the standard. And more than anything, I hope that this is what affirms to especially us Black people that we can portray a beautiful part of us. That not only is it that we can portray it, but that we truly are a beautiful people, and Isibaya proved that. So thank you for being an amazing part of my 8 years, and for allowing me to be an amazing part of your 8 years. Kwande ma Africa.